Hello beautiful people, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a binocular tripod mount using a phone holder, a cheap phone holder. Let's see how to make it. So the very first step is to know where the mount will go. In front of the binocular there is a cap, remove it. It is where the screw of the mount goes in. Now we need a phone holder which have two screw holes. One you see in the back here and the one on the side. The side is where we mount it, attach it to the tripod, and the back one it goes in front of the binoculars like this. And then this is the screw that will hold the mount and the binocular. So let's see. So I'm going to use a very small drill bit to drill in the center of the hole here, and then we will have a point where to drill bigger. So now we made a hole here. Now we can make a bigger hole from this side. So I got a little thicker diameter drill. I'll drill from this side instead of this. Hi, so I made a bigger hole here, and now we will try this. And before putting this on binocular, find a screw that fits perfectly here. So if I put this here, it will go easily all the way. So find the perfect screw first, and now I will remove this. And now I will put this on top here, and this will be at the bottom of the binocular like this. I see there's a little gap between this surface and this surface, so I will use some washers here. Here are some of the washers, so I'll just put these washers right here, and now I will put this here, and I will screw it. I already tightened it. Now we'll put the tripod mount on here. It's good. So the reason we put washers in between so that we can make this free movement. Otherwise, there's not much space for this. So that's the reason. Now I will just mount it on the tripod and see how it goes. So it will be like this. It fits snugly on the tripod, and we'll go outside and check it. So this is the finished product, how it looks like. So the benefit of putting the binocular on the tripod is we can take a sharp photograph or video like this here. See, it's pretty sharp. I like it. Thank you for watching.